Greetings citizen in the world, we are Anonymous. Today we will be showing how to install on your Windows system to hacking machine config. It is the most important video for all YouTube because in this penetration testing tool you have to own your Windows machine to install it easily. So first go to on your browser and search it Pentest Box. It is the most powerful penetration testing tool on Windows machine. After that you can click on Pentest Box website, then hit to download it. After that you will be shown the Metasploit, the penetration testing tool. I have to download it and go to agree. It also redirect the site, then click to download it. Then keep it. It's take too much time because the software is most powerful. After that you download it, then click it, the local disk on your Windows machine. Create a new folder. This name is just to penetration testing or penetration box if you any choice. After that create this folder, then open Windows icon and search it Windows Defender or Windows Security System. Click to Virus Threat Protection. Scroll down and you have to show Virus Threat Protection settings. After that you scroll it, executed option is here, then click it. After that add to file on this option, and here the local disk file browse and select this, you create penetration box tool file. After you click, then you have to install on your penetration testing tool on this local machine. Then browse it and select the local disk C you have to create on your folder. Just select it and then press OK. Then next. It also have to take much time to install on tool. After that, you go to your local machine and go to your folder, then run it to run to administrator on this tool. You have to successfully install this penetration testing tool on your Windows machine. Then run also, you have to write the list. The list also show in this platform. It have to pre-install every tool like Android, framework, password tracking, etc. I have to search on Firefox. It is also portable Firefox on this penetration testing tool. And I will be show it the latest information tool. Just copy, select and copy it and paste here. Hit enter. You have to show all that tool, the default install on this system. You have to have Nmap, you have to encrypt. There are many tools like SSS scan, the troll server, and many more tools have there. Other, I have to show that the list of password tracking. Copy it and paste it and hit enter. Then I will show you that the Bob search, find hash, and many more tools. You have to also the John the Reaper is there. It is also Kali Linux tool on this system. Then I will be clear and close it. Thank you.